Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the process of setting up Brevo's Autoresponder for your email marketing strategy. First, navigate to the Automation tab. On this page, you'll find all your previous automations along with a button in the top right corner labeled Create an Automation. Click on that. You'll now see two options. You can either build an automation from scratch or choose a built-in automation, depending on your needs. Since we're setting up an autoresponder for a welcome message, select a built-in option. At this point, your entry point is established. It triggers when a contact joins or is added to your list. Next, you can add a delay based on your preference, followed by an action to send out your welcome email. After that, click on Use this automation. Here, select the list where new contacts will be added, then specify the delay, whether it's in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. Once you've made your selections, click Next. Now it's time to choose the email template you want to send. After finalizing your choices, click on Activate Automation. And that's it! Your autoresponder is now up and running. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.